Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. Welcome to this detailed guide for devotees who wish to have a divine and close darshan of Lord Venkateshwara through the SRIVANI Trust VIP Break Darshan. In this video, we will explain everything you need to know about the SRIVANI Trust VIP Break Darshan, from the donation process, ticket booking, accommodation, eligibility rules and reporting instructions to a complete step-by-step walkthrough of the online booking process. Before moving into the content, please share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues, and also subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. With the SRIVANI Trust VIP Break Darshan ticket, any devotee can avail the privilege of VIP Break Darshan at Tirumala. To obtain this ticket, a devotee must first contribute 10,000 rupees as a donation to the SRIVANI Trust. After completing the donation, an additional 500 rupees must be paid towards the darshan ticket. Therefore, the total cost for one SRIVANI Trust VIP Break Darshan ticket is 10,500 rupees. Each person who wishes to attend this darshan must donate 10,500 rupees individually. Children under the age of 12 do not require a darshan ticket. However, their age proof such as Aadhaar card, school ID or for NRIs, passport must be carried when reporting for darshan. It is advised not to use mobile phones for booking this ticket due to potential technical glitches. Instead, use a desktop or a laptop and always prefer the TTD official website over the TTD mobile app. The TTD official website address is ttdevasthanams.ap.gov.in. This ticket can be booked using Aadhaar or passport as ID proof. Indian residents must use their Aadhaar ID even if they also possess a passport. Only NRIs are allowed to use a passport for booking, and they must carry both the passport and valid visa copies along with the darshan ticket when reporting for darshan. A minimum of 1 and a maximum of 9 darshan tickets can be booked under one mobile number login. When VIP Break Darshan tickets are available for booking, the associated accommodation booking also opens simultaneously. If accommodation is needed, it must be booked at the same time as the darshan ticket. Separate accommodation booking for these tickets will not be opened later. VIP Break Darshan ticket holders cannot book accommodation during the general online accommodation booking process. Accommodation booking is allowed only if at least 2 or more VIP Break Darshan tickets are booked at the same time under a single mobile number login. If only one ticket is booked, the accommodation option will not be available. Only one TTD room is allotted per login. Even if 4 or 6 VIP Break Darshan tickets are booked through one login, only one room will be enabled. If you require more than one room, plan accordingly. For example, if 5 people are booking tickets, you can use 2 different logins. Book 2 tickets from one login and remaining 3 tickets from another login. This way, 2 rooms will be allotted, 1 per login. But remember, each login must have a minimum of 2 tickets booked to enable room booking. Only a non-AC room costing 1000 rupees will be enabled per login. This amount must be paid along with the darshan ticket cost. Rooms are usually allotted in Matru Sri Vakula Devi Rest House for VIP Break Darshan ticket holders. The room is allotted for 24 hours from the time of check-in. If you need an extension, you must request it on the first day itself from the TTD official who issues the key. Extension will be given only if rooms are available, and an additional 1000 rupees must be paid. A video link showing details of these rooms will be provided in the first comment of this video. VIP Break Darshan tickets are released 3 months in advance. For example, tickets for October will be made available in July. Only 500 tickets per day are available in online. Once a donation is made, you can book your darshan ticket anytime within 1 year from the donation date. Once booked, the ticket cannot be cancelled but can be rescheduled once. To reschedule, it must be done at least 1 week before your scheduled darshan date. Only the darshan date can be rescheduled, not the accommodation. At the time of rescheduling, the accommodation will be cancelled automatically and the accommodation rent will be refunded to your bank account. Accommodation cancellations are allowed only up to 2 days before the scheduled date. The reporting time for darshan varies by day. On Thursdays, it is 7:15 am, on Fridays, 8:15 am, and on other days, it is 10:15 am. However, timings may change during festivals, special pujas or temple events. The exact reporting time will be printed on your darshan ticket. Although the reporting location is mentioned as VQC1, devotees must actually report at ADC circle located near VQC1. Strict dress code rules apply. Men must wear either a kurta pajama or a shirt with a dhoti. Women must wear a sari or a chudidar with a dupatta. There is no specific dress code for children. Details regarding what items are allowed or restricted inside the temple and the darshan queue, mobile and luggage counters have been explained in a separate video. The link will be shared in the first comment of this video. Car parking for VIP ticket holders is available next to JEO Camp Office building. You can search for its exact location on Google Maps. Only those with VIP Break Darshan tickets are permitted inside the temple during this special darshan. Hence, there will be no pushing or crowding in the queue, ensuring a peaceful and divine experience. This darshan offers an extremely close view of Lord Balaji from a distance of about 10 feet, making it a breathtaking and goosebump-inducing moment. This is the biggest highlight of this ticket. I have shared my personal experience of the VIP Break Darshan and how the darshan takes place in our channel's dedicated playlist. You are welcome to watch it there. Now let us look at the complete online booking process in detail. Visit the TTD website and log in using your mobile number and OTP. Click on SRIVANI and other trust donations icons under the Pilgrim Services section. This will redirect you to TTD's old website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, sign up for a new account and log in. On the home page, click the services menu at the top right, then select donations link and then select SRIVANI Trust donations. You will now see details about the SRIVANI Trust, its purpose, donation utilization and privileges. Read carefully and click continue to donate. General instructions will pop up. Tick the checkbox that says I agree to the above conditions and click the agreed button. Now click the to check beginning Break Darshan availability, click here link. If dates are open for ticket booking, available dates will appear in green. If not yet open, dates will appear in blue. It's advisable to complete the donation process a day before bookings open, so you have enough time to understand instructions and avoid last minute issues. When bookings open, you can directly select your darshan date and make payment for both darshan and accommodation without delay. Unlike other TTD tickets that sell out within 10 minutes, these tickets are booked at a slower pace. After checking ticket availability, enter the donation amount. For an example, 10,000 rupees for 1 ticket, 50,000 rupees for 5 tickets and 90,000 rupees for 9 tickets. Remember that only a maximum of 9 tickets can be booked in a single login. Tick the checkbox next to donation towards 50% corpus and 50% towards SRIVANI Trust. Enter the donation amount, select number of tickets, read instructions and click continue. Enter complete and accurate pilgrim details, especially Aadhaar or passport numbers. These cannot be changed later. Click continue. Large set of general instructions will pop up. Read it and tick the checkbox that says I agree to the above conditions and click the agreed button and proceed to payment gateway page and select any one of the 2 available payment gateways and click pay now. Choose a payment method, credit or debit card or net banking and complete the payment. After payment, a donation receipt will be generated. Below the receipt, it have been mentioned clearly on how to redeem your darshan tickets. Back on the home page, go to services menu and now donor privileges would have been enabled. Click the donor privileges link. Here, your donation details, number of eligible tickets and validity will be shown. Click booking next to the validity. Pilgrim details will be displayed. As soon as we select 2 pilgrims, accommodation option will be enabled. First, to book the darshan tickets, tick the checkbox near beginning Break Darshan. Select your darshan date from the calendar. Now the reporting time will be displayed. Next, tick the accommodation checkbox. Select your preferred date, either the day before or the day of your darshan. And choose a 6-hour check-in time slot. Please choose your check-in time slot carefully. This time slot is exclusively for scanning your accommodation receipt at the ARP counter in CRO office located at Tirumala. The receipt must be scanned within the selected 6-hour window without fail in order to avail the booked room. Even a delay of 1 minute will result in the system automatically cancelling the room and no further requests or appeals will be entertained. Therefore, plan your check-in slot wisely based on your estimated arrival time in Tirumala. After scanning the accommodation receipt at the ARP counter, you will receive a room allotment SMS with room details within 15 minutes. Room will be allotted for 24 hours from your check-in time. Review all selected details like darshan date, accommodation date and time slot and click Redeem. The total payable amount will be displayed. Choose a payment gateway method and click Pay Now and complete the payment transaction either by selecting card or net banking option. Once successful, a confirmation successful redemption will pop up and below the box it shows how to download your tickets. Fill and submit the feedback form that appears. If you wish to reschedule your darshan date, log in as previously explained in this video, go to Donor Privileges in the Services menu and click the Reschedule button next to your ticket. To download your darshan ticket or accommodation receipt, click the PDF icons shown in the respective field. To get your donation receipt, click Transaction History in the Services menu and download it using the mailbox icon. We hope this detailed video has answered all your questions about the SRIVANI Trust VIP Break Darshan tickets and helped you understand the complete booking procedure. May your darshan be peaceful, close and spiritually fulfilling. Please make sure to share this video with your family, friends, neighbors and colleagues so that they too can benefit from this divine experience. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.